Swarasya is a lifestyle-driven skincare and self-care brand. We are built on the idea of beauty inside out that delves deeper into the deeper concepts of our being, which is energy, life force or prana. The concept of pranic beauty at Swarasya is about considering you as a whole and taking into consideration all dimensions of you, including your physical self, your emotional self and your conscious self. This five-dimensional approach of Swarasya is driven from the oldest ancient cultures of the world, including Ayurveda, Oriental science, yogic sciences, and macrobiotics. The five beauty dimensions of Swarasya are nourish, bodywork, emotions, self-realization, and energy. The nourish beauty dimension of Swarasya is nothing to do with counting calories. As they say, you are what you eat, digest, and assimilate. So, nourish dimension at Swarasya is about easing out your digestion. It is about cleansing your internal body pathways so that there can be free flow of circulation, free flow of nutrients and oxygen to be passed on to your skin cells. That's where actual beauty vibrates from. The second dimension of our five-dimensional beauty approach is bodywork. Bodywork is all about movement and flow. Our body is meant to move and flow freely. This beauty dimension is based on three further categorizations. The first one being self-care and self-connect, the second one being movement and flow, and the third one being skincare. Self-care and self-connect is about connecting with yourself. It is about practicing daily practices, something like what Ayurveda recommends in the form of dinacharya, practicing practices such as Abhyanga, which helps stimulate your lymphatic system and stimulate your circulation. Movement and flow is about enhancing circulation. Circulation helps detox our body and to provide nutrition to the cells. That's where our radiance radiates inside out. Skincare is about feeding skin with dense nutrients. Chemicals do not serve our skin. Our skin, as our body, needs these dense nutrients to operate to its full capacity. Swarasya skincare line provides you with ancient recipes which have been used long back during grandma times and have been revived from oldest ancient cultures of the world, including Ayurveda and Oriental cultures. The third beauty dimension at Swarasya is emotions. We know how haggard and how tired we look when we are stressed. We may have the best skin, we may have the best hair, but stress can mess it up all. Negative hormones have this power of drifting away the pathways through which nutrients travel to the skin cells, and that's where the radiance comes from. Skin gets deprived of its nutrients if we have a stressed state of mind, and that reflects on our skin, hair, wrinkled skin, and the entire body. The fourth beauty dimension at Swarasya is self-realization. How often does it happen that our body tells us not to overeat or not to work when we are tired? We hardly listen. Lack of self-realization does create a lot of overload for the body. As a part of this overload, we make our organs work extra, and that extra functioning of the organs does reflect on our body and our entire appearance as a whole. The fifth and innermost dimension of beauty at Swarasya is energy. Energy is something that keeps us going. It is the fuel for our body from within. As yogic sciences quote, prana is an aspect of pranamaya kosha which fuels our body from the inside. That gleam in the eyes, that radiance on the face, that vitality, that radiance, that energy. Everything is being fueled by the energy that we carry at the back. Regulating prana is one of the major aspects of taking your beauty to a different level. It's about foods, it's about lifestyle, it is about using right kind of skincare ingredients, it is about learning to balance emotions, it is about doing everything that forms you as a whole. That's how your prana gets regulated. This is the aspect that fuels our beauty and energy from within. That gleam in the eyes, that radiance on the skin, even if you do not have extraordinary features, that energy in the body and that vitality that makes you attractive. It's all an aspect, innermost aspect of energy. Living from a place of self-awareness is the route to true healing and true beauty. When we start to take conscious decisions about how we eat, what time do we eat, what kind of lifestyle do we live, is the beginning of liberation of your own beauty. Come and experience the divine art of pranic beauty at Swarasya. Be a pranic beauty.